Every single day you drive in summer heat, UV rays are breaking down your clear coat, fading your color, and leaving your paint looking dull, chalky, and old way before its time. And if you think a regular car wax is going to save you, it won't. Traditional wax melts in high temperatures. It breaks down fast, and once it's gone, your paint is completely exposed. I've tested, compared, and broken down the 5 best ceramic wax sprays you can buy on Amazon right now. All 5 products I'm covering today are linked directly in the description box below. Now, let's dive in. Starting strong at number 1, the Chemical Guys Hydro Blitz Ceramic Spray Wax. What makes this one stand out from the crowd isn't just that it's ceramic, it's that Chemical Guys engineered a hybrid formula, SiO2 ceramic technology fused with natural carnauba wax, and that matters more than most people realize. Pure ceramic sprays give you protection and durability, but they can sometimes look a little cold or clinical. Carnauba adds that warm, deep, almost wet look gloss that makes your paint look like it just came out of a showroom. You get the best of both worlds in a single bottle. The Hydro Blitz is also genuinely new. It was released recently and immediately started getting attention from detailers online, not because of hype, but because the results speak for themselves. Forum reviews specifically praised how the car stayed cleaner for days after heavy summer rainstorms. The hydrophobic layer was pushing dirt and water off the surface instead of letting it sit and stain. Application is beginner-friendly. Spray it on a clean panel, spread it with a microfiber applicator, and buff to a shine. No machine needed, no complicated prep steps. Works on paint, glass, chrome, headlights, plastic trim, and wheels, basically every exterior surface your car has. Protection runs about 4 to 6 months in real-world summer use. You can also layer it on top of an existing full ceramic coating to refresh and boost the protection you already have. Link is in the description below. Number 2, the Nexgen Ceramic Coating Spray. Here's the thing that stops most people cold when they first hear it. The SiO2 content in this formula, the actual silicon dioxide concentration that does the protecting, is 13%. 13. For reference, most other ceramic sprays on the market test it under 1%. Some of the biggest name brands you see at the auto parts store, under 1%. Nexgen is hitting 13. That's not a marginal difference. That's a completely different tier of protection, and it explains everything about why this formula performs the way it does. What does a high SiO2 count actually mean for you in real summer conditions? It means the nanoparticle layer bonding to your paint is denser. UV rays, bird droppings, tree sap, road grime, acid rain, that stuff hits the surface and just slides off or sits on top waiting for a quick rinse. Independent testers have noted the water-beading behavior on Nexgen treated panels is some of the most aggressive they've seen from a spray product. That's your 13% SiO2 working. The application, 3 steps, and I mean 3 steps. Spray 2 to 3 times onto the panel, wipe it evenly with a microfiber towel, flip to the dry side, and buff out. Done. Car Care Reviews called it the fastest application time of any ceramic product they'd tested. A whole mid-size sedan in about 30 minutes. SUV, maybe 40. That's an afternoon well spent. Number 3 goes to Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Wax. Here's what makes this product different from everything else on this list. The application method is completely unique. You don't spray it on a dry car and buff it off. You apply it after washing. Spray it onto a wet car surface, and then rinse it off with a second pass of water. That's it. The rinse distributes the formula evenly across every panel, including all those awkward, hard-to-reach areas like door jambs, lower bumper edges, and trim gaps that you'd probably miss with a hand application anyway. There is zero buffing, zero curing wait time. You can drive the car the moment it's dry. Meguiar's uses advanced SiO2 hybrid barrier technology in this formula. It bonds to your paint during that rinse process and creates a hydrophobic layer that gives you solid 2 to 4 month protection. During summer specifically, that barrier is actively blocking UV radiation and reflecting heat off the surface, which slows down oxidation significantly. Car owners in the Corvette forum community specifically praise this product for how it performs on black paint, which is notoriously unforgiving with water spots and heat damage. It also works on glass, headlights, and trim with no extra masking or precaution needed. If you have a foam cannon set up, you can even dilute this and run it through your foam gun as a final coat rinse at the end of a wash. That's a workflow that professional detailers actually use. Description link is below. Number 4 is Adams Polish's Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating Wax. Adams Polish's Graphene Ceramic Spray is the premium option on this list, and it earns that position with technology that's genuinely different from everything else here. Most ceramic sprays are built on SiO2, silicon dioxide. That's been the gold standard in the detailing world for years. Adams went a step further and incorporated graphene oxide into the ceramic resin formula. Graphene has a natural honeycomb molecular structure. What that means practically is that it bonds to your paint in a denser, more flexible layer. It resists scratching during washing. It repels water with a lower sliding angle, meaning water doesn't just bead up, it actively runs off with almost no prompting. And critically for summer, graphene doesn't retain heat the way SiO2 can. Your paint surface stays cooler in direct sun exposure. The durability on this one is rated at up to 12 months. That's not a typo. One application in spring and your car is protected through summer, fall, and into the following winter. That changes the math on the price significantly. You're paying more upfront, but you're covering 12 months instead of 4 to 6. One genuinely cool feature is what Adams calls their UV tracer technology. They include a UV reactive element in the formula. Under a UV flashlight, you can literally see where you've applied the coating and where you've missed. No more guessing, no more swirl patterns from uneven coverage. Detailing professionals specifically love this for quality control. Link in the description. And rounding out our list at number 5, Shine Armor Ceramic Wax. This is one of the most purchased ceramic sprays on the entire platform, and for a very specific reason. It solves a very specific problem. That problem is the car that needs attention right now, but you don't have 2 hours to wash and detail it properly. Maybe it's a Wednesday evening. Maybe it's before a date or a meeting. Maybe there's a layer of dust and a couple of bird droppings, and you just want it looking clean and shiny in the next 15 minutes. That's exactly what Shine Armor is built for. The formula is a genuine 3-in-1. It cleans, shines, and protects all in a single spray. You don't need water. You don't need a hose. Spray it on a microfiber towel or directly onto the panel, wipe it in, flip the towel, and buff to a finish. Done. It lays down a ceramic layer in that single pass, so water beads immediately after application. The shine on dark-colored cars especially is really impressive. Reviewers describe dirt sliding off like butter after treating the surface. For summer specifically, this is the product you want to keep in your trunk or in the garage for maintenance between proper details. The ceramic layer it adds accumulates over time with repeated applications. So the more you use it, the better your protection gets. Apply it once a week after a quick rinse, and you're building a solid ceramic foundation on the cheap. It's safe on all exterior surfaces: paint, glass, plastic trim, chrome, mirrors, without any masking or prep needed. Link is in the description below. 5 ceramic wax sprays, 5 different drivers in mind. Pick the one that fits how you actually take care of your car. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.